by student. So, ito po ang ating formula dito. Probability of A given B is equals to probability of B given A times probability of A divided to probability of B. So, ito po ang ating example. Probability of A, person has the disease. Probability of B, test result is positive. So, what is the probability of having that disease given on positive test? So, probability of A is equals to 0.01, 1% of people having the disease. And then, probability of B given A is equals to 0.99. Test is 99% accurate when person has the disease. Then, the probability of B given not A is equals to 0.0594 or 5% false positive rate. And then, probability of not A is 0.99. So, probability of 9 given B is equals to 0.99 times 0.01. So, ito po ang ating magiging result, 0.0099. So, then, nililipat po natin dito. And then, pagde-divide po natin, and ang magiging result po niya is 0.1667. Then, need natin siyang i-times sa 100 para makuha itong result dito. So, pag nakuha na ang ating result, the probability has disease or positive is equals to 16.67. Addition rule. So, ito po ang ating formula. Probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B. So, ang ginamit po natin example dito is ace or king. So, the probability of ace or king is equals to 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 is equals to 8 over 52. So, alam naman po natin dito na A and B cannot happen at the same time. Multiplication rule. So, ito po ang ating formula. Probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A times probability of B. So, ang ating example po rito is toss coin or roll a dice. Then, the probability of heads and 6 is equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 12. So, alam naman po natin hindi po ito maapektuhan ng isa't isa. Finite additivity. If A intersection B is equals to empty sets, then the probability of A union B is equals to A plus probability of B. So it means, ganito lang po ang kakalabasan niyan. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, pagpaplasin lang po sila. Here's the formula. The probability of A given by B is equals the probability of A intersection B divided by P, the probability of B. So, ito po yung example natin. So, 60% like math. And so, equals to 0.60. Then, 30% like both math and science. Then, the probability of math and science is equals to 0.30. So, the probability of science given math is equals to the probability of math and science divided by the probability of math is equals to 0.30 divided by 0.60 is equals to 0.5. Addition of rule of probability. So, this is the union of two events. So, ito po yung formula natin. The probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B is minus to the probability of A union B. So, the probability of A is equals to 0.4. Then, the probability of B is equals to 0.5. And then, the probability of A intersection B is equals to 0.2. So, the probability of A union B is equals to 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 0.2 is equals to 0.7. So, meron po tayong 70 chance percent na ang dalawang ito ay pwede mangyari. Multiplication rule for independent event. So, ang example po natin dito is coin toss. So, halimbawa, lumabas ang dalawang head, then ito po yung formula natin. The probability of A intersection B is equals to the probability of A times the probability of B. Then, the probability of head is 1 over 2. Then, the probability of head intersection head is equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 4 or 0.25. The probability of A union B union C is equals to probability of A plus probability of B intersection A complement plus probability of A complement union B complement then union C. So, kukunin po natin yung A and then yung B and then yung C. So, paano nga po natin ito makukuha? So, yung probability of C union A complement. So, makukuha po natin siya sa itong union A complement sa intersection lang po nila. So, A union C is equals to A complement. Then, union, makukuha po natin yung union B complement sa B and C. So, kaya po siya nakuha. If A subset B, then the probability of A is less than or equal to probability of B. So, it means hindi lalaki si A compared kay B. Then, probability of B is equals to A union B intersection A complement. Then, probability of B equals P equals probability of A plus probability of B intersection A complement is greater or equal to probability of A. So, saan nga po natin makahanap si A complement? So, mag-intersect po si B and A complement. So, dito po natin siya makahanap. Which is, susulatan po natin ng A complement. Conditional probability. So, the probability of A given B is equals to the probability of A in the intersection B divided to probability of B. So, the probability of A intersection B, so i-shade lang natin siya dito sa gitna, and then divided to the probability of B. So, i-shade lang din natin dito.
So that's it, ma'am. Thank you for watching.